Now get some muffins. I've used for this English muffins. Then get some pizza sauce. Glob that down and spread it out. Put as much as you wish on. Now get some black olives and cut them so you've got that. Then get some what we call shallots or spring onions. They're known as scallions. Just cut a little piece. Put it in there. That's for the eyes. Now get some cheese. Cut them into slices or use cheese sticks or whatever and just whack them across. Just all over the place so it sort of has that look of a mummy a bit. Just repeat that with all of them. Put this in the oven for about 10 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius. Alrighty, just leave these here to cool for a few minutes and then eat. Or you can eat straight away. Some people like to burn themselves.